How to hide text messages on your iPhone lock screen. If you lock your screen and if you're still able to view the text that you have received and notifications that you have received, then how you can turn it off, right? Well, it is pretty basic and simple, so let me guide you through. First, you want to open up the settings application on your iPhone. Then head over to the notifications section here. So once you head into notifications here, you can see display as count, stack and list option here. What you want to do is you want to head over to messages option, scroll down here, and if you want the messages here, you can see messages. You can turn off the notifications off, or you can turn it off for lock screen here this way, and you won't get any messages notifications. Similarly, you can do so for other applications notifications. For example, you want to turn off Snapchat message notifications, then you can head into it and you can either turn off notifications or you can turn it off from your lock screen. You can see alerts here. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.